In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly copy a table from Google Docs to Google Slides. If you've ever found yourself needing to transfer data between these two applications, you're in the right place. By the end of this guide, you'll clearly understand how to do this efficiently and with a couple of handy options to suit your needs. To start, you'll need to open up your Google Docs where your table is located. Once inside your document, finding and selecting the table is straightforward. Simply click anywhere within the confines of the table itself. Now, you might see just a portion highlighted, but that's okay. Go ahead and drag your cursor over the table until you have all the cells selected and highlighted. With your table highlighted, it's time to copy it. Depending on your operating system, this requires either pressing Ctrl and C on a Windows machine or CMD and C if you're using a Mac. Think of it like capturing a snapshot of the table to hold in your clipboard, ready for seamless transfer into your presentation. Next, you'll need to open your Google Slides presentation. Navigate to Google Slides and locate the specific slide where you intend to place your table. Visualize this step as setting the stage for your data to shine. Click on the slide where you'd like the table to appear. Now, it's time to paste the table. Just like copying, this process varies slightly between a Windows PC and a Mac. On a Windows computer, you'll press Ctrl and V, while on a Mac, you'll use CMD and V. As a result, the table is instantly transferred to the slide, appearing just as you envisioned. At this point, you have a couple of choices regarding how the table is pasted, each with its unique advantages. You will see an option pop up asking whether you'd like to paste the table as a linked or a static table. If you choose linked table, any changes you or anyone else makes to the original table in Google Sheets will automatically reflect in your slide. This can be a real time saver if you foresee frequent updates to your data. On the other hand, selecting to paste it as a static table means the information will not change, making it ideal for preserving the current data snapshot without worrying about future edits. Once you've made your selection, take a moment to adjust the table. You might find it necessary to resize it or reposition it slightly to ensure it fits well within your slide's layout and overall design aesthetics. Don't worry if it takes a few attempts to get it just right. These adjustments help tailor the table to complement your presentation style perfectly. And there you have it. You've successfully moved a table from Google Docs to Google Slides with ease, giving your presentations a polished, professional touch. Keep these steps in mind next time you need to transfer tables, and you'll be doing it faster and more confidently each time.